Good news, everybody. The sheep have turned off. We followed them for a while. They just keep walking in front of us today like fucking dicks, like. Go on there, ready? Holy fuck, you know, that's strong. Whoa, motherfucker. Come on, Bass. You're right, you're on the lead card. Go. Whoa. Just gonna run through. Fuck. All right, go through. This fucking hell. Woo. Good news, everybody. The sheep have turned off. Yeah. Easy to. Best for you. Why can't I zoom on? Thank you. Wicked. Go around the bend now. Literally run. I'm gonna have to fucking let him off. As long as there's not any more fuzzy white fucking things or red, browny, fluffy tail fox things. Oh, was he having a piss then? Anyway, that's my dog having a pee. He's a boy. Oh. A lovely new bust. Anyhow, just a quickie. So if anybody needed a quickie, I might sort you out. Oh fuck, there's more stream. Oh my word. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, it's deep there. What's happening? Best fucking wet, innit? I was on your old boy, sorry, bud. Oh, fuck, here comes the rain. Fuck. Can you see that coming up the valley? Oh, yeah. We spoke to the fireman down the bottom. I forgot about that. Oh, my God, fucking hell. We were in should have videoing it. They were pumping the iron doing away to fucking rock, right? And he said he was going to go up there where there's a bit dodgy. Yeah, fuck. Oh, here comes the rain. Fucking bollocks is hitting us. Ah. Cheers for the weather, bros. Woo, here it comes. Right, I'm off because my phone will blow up. Ah!